Apparently me either. Multiplying matrices. Okay, do you remember anything from last week or week before last about multiplying matrices? No? You make the L shape. Yeah, you do the thing. Yes, there's the thing. Yes. Yeah. What has to happen before you can do the thing? Right, they have to be compatible. Alright, so, like a 2 by 3 and a 3 by 5. Could I multiply those two?
Yes.
Okay, what about a 3 by 5 and a 2 by 3?
No.
Why not? Because aren't these like the same thing? Right, the inside numbers have to match, and then the outside numbers will be the dimensions of your answer. So these two are matching, they'll multiply, okay? So you can't do it. Alright, let's see if we can do one. Can I do these two?
Yes.
What are these dimensions?
2 by 3 and 3 by 2.
This is a 2 by 3, and this is a 3 by 2. Yep, and then do the L. That's the thing that you're talking about. Okay. Alright, so what gets multiplied? 2 times 1 plus 3 times 9 times 4. Alright, and then wait, right here. You've done this one, now do this one. 2 times negative 3 plus plus right. Okay. And here. 4 times 1. Right. Hold up, time out. Michael Ross just told me what to write on the board.
Yeah.
And Haven is on time, it's just a good thing.
What the heck?
Illuminati's flame.
It's a fourth quarter miracle. Alright. So what goes here? Yes.
I like you scared Andrew.
I know.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, remember, once you get the numbers in parentheses, the numbers in parentheses don't change up and down. Okay? The numbers in the parentheses are the same, up and down. And the numbers outside parentheses are the same across. Okay, so then we just have to do the math. That's going to be what? 2 plus 27 plus 24. 24. Is that 51? 53? Okay, nice. Negative 6 and 0 and negative 30. It's a negative 36. 4 and 45 is 49. Plus 32 is 81. Is that right? Are you stressing me because I was like, I know what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. Negative 12 and negative 40 and negative 62. 52, sorry. See?
I don't know, should we trust you this time?
Exactly.
That's
Alright.
more trust in Sketcher. So don't put that.
So that's pretty easy, right? It's just the same thing. It's really a pattern. You're just following a pattern. Same repeated pattern over and over again. Okay. Here's the plan. We're gonna do this today, just to remind you so you can remember how to do this. And then tomorrow we're gonna find inverses of matrices because you can solve a system of equations with a matrix if you know its inverse. Remember, we were talking earlier, you can't multiply, sorry, you can't divide matrices. You can't do it. It's not a thing. Divide matrices isn't a thing. But let's say I needed to divide something by 8, but I'm not allowed to divide. Is there something I could multiply by that would be the same thing as dividing by 8?
Point.
Yeah, the reciprocal, the inverse. 1/8. 62 times the inverse. So once we get really, really good at multiplying, which we're going to practice it one more time today, once we get really good at multiplying, then we're going to start finding inverses, because you can't divide matrices, but you can multiply by the inverse. So we're going to find inverses, and then we're going to put the two of them together and start multiplying by the inverses. We're going to practice multiplying again today. That's all we're going to do. Let me give you one more problem for you to do totally on your own, and then I'll give you a practice page, so maybe you won't have homework on your first time back. Wouldn't that be great? All right. Not really? Okay, then I'll up the work some.
I think whoever did that was really like,
Alright, try that one. Okay, so I'm going to have 2 times what? 3 plus 4 times plus 6 times 2. Okay, so that's all going to be one number. And then what happens right here? 2 times 8 plus, okay, and then am I ready to come down here? No, I need to be right here. Alright. Uh-huh. Not 60, 60. Alright, great. And then what about right here? Good. Yup. Wait, negative 3 times negative 1, right?
yeah.
Oh, yeah. And negative. Great. And then you just have to do the math. And what do I get for this first number? 38. What about this? What? Oh, okay. And then this last one? Yes. I tried to give you zeros, by the way. Alright, what about right here? In the middle? 52. And the last one? 11. Alright, there you go. Does everyone see the process? It's time consuming. I'm not gonna lie. It's time consuming. It's really not difficult because you just have to multiply and add. And yeah, all of you have this little machine that will multiply and add for you. So that's not even, yeah, right? Okay, so it's not that big of a deal, right?